We've all heard of twisted pair wires in industrial communications, but what exactly is a twisted pair wire and why are they so important? Well, a classic example is the Ethernet cable. These come in category 5, 6, 7, and all kinds of other devices, including like RS-485 and a lot of other standards. But what does it look like inside? Well, if we take a look at the inside of a twisted pair wire, the communication lines are, as we expect, twisted around each other. Now, the main problem with communication lines does not come from how long the wires are by the resistance. It comes from the fact that the capacitance will build up between two conductors, which are wires side by side. So when the communication signal changes very rapidly, it builds up capacitance, and so we can't get a very long cable. But if we can twist the wire pairs, we actually create inductance in the wire, which cancels out some of the capacitance, and therefore we can get higher data rates at a much longer cable. And that's exactly what we're going for in today's industrial communication, when what we really need is for the wires to be able to be as long as possible, the data to be as high volume as possible, and for the data rates to be as high as possible.